We are doing the sneeze challenge. Oh well, we are doing the sneeze challenge. Okay, so now we're gonna be starting with some tissue. Get the peas and then we're gonna rub it up and we're gonna see who goes sneeze first. So you want to get the tip, as you can see right here, and twist it into this little thing. Okay. And then we're on round using black pepper. If you can see that. Round one. Here we go. You go sneeze first, okay? If you sneeze first, you get a point. We try to make yourself sneeze a lot. I got 2 points. Okay, we just gonna use the. He wants to use the pepper, so we're gonna use the pepper first.
Pepper.
I'm still gonna use the tissue. The camera. You ain't even put. No. I'm waiting.
I'll show you the best thing. What?
I sneezed like 8 times.
Okay, I got it in my nose. Take a let's sneeze. I'm serious. That was 2 times.
Like 9.
Oh God, that's nothing. Watch this big old sneeze.
That's the... I'm about to... Oh, it's stuck in my nose now. Ah!